Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
एकदा मी परत एकदा म्हणतो गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीबडी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ नाशिक चॅप्टर.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Welcome to all participants, speaker, delegates, principal sir, Mr. Ufade sir, Dr. Ufade sir. On behalf of Nasik chapter, I welcome to all of you for this night of ISHRE Nasik chapter. And now I will request Mr. Ufade sir, Dr. Ufade sir. So please address the quorum. Over to Ufade sir.
Yeah. Thank you, guidance, sir. Respected Regional Director Mihir Sanghvi sir, President Ashtekar sir ji, today's speaker Rob Sheikh sir, faculty coordinators Mr. Suryanshi sir from KBT College, Mr. Holkar sir from GGSP, and all faculty members and my dear students. Today we are gathered here for the program on why join ISHRE, what are the different benefits of joining ISHRE chapter. First of all, I welcome all of you on the behalf of ISHRE Nashik chapter for this program. I remember that in 1982, this ISHRE Professional Society was established, and this is the long journey of 40 years. In this 40 years today, ISHRE Society has almost 1400 plus professional members, 28,000 student members, and many industry, HVAC and R industry are connected with this society. In fact, the main objective of this society is to tie up with all industry professionals and to guide the students for the betterment of the society. Not only ISHRE society, but overall global society. And this society provides a good opportunity for the students to learn new things, to discover the things, and this society also promotes the research. As we all know, during the COVID situation also, research is the main thing that is excelling, and it is the need of time to excel behind the or excel with the research and to promote the society. So I welcome all of you students for to enhance your skills and be ready for the tomorrow. As all we know that there is always scope for the betterment, and in every home I think there is a fridge, and HVAC starts from there. But remember that it is not the thing goes for the rich families, but for the middle class family and all class of the families. And the day by day, the global warming thing is going on, and temperature of the environment or the room temperature is going to rise. And there is huge scope for the research work in the field of HVAC and R. So I will not take too much time, but I will appeal to all students to join ISHRE chapter. What are the benefits that will be explained by our today's speaker Rob Sheikh sir, and Mihir Sanghvi sir will also guide us. So I will like to mention here that at the end of the session, attendance link will be shared. I will request all faculty members to fill this link and get in touch with your student and be a part of this reputed society. Thank you. Over to Gaidani sir.
Thank you, Ufade sir. The nice introduction of our guest and our speaker, and also introduction of ISHRE. Thank you very much, sir.
Just a moment, sir.
हाँ बोला बोला सर.
Some students are waiting in the lobby. Can we allow them?
1 minute, I have to ask to Subodh. You can call Subodh, he is on.
Okay. Okay.
So what we will do, Holkar sir, we will record this session and we will circulate in the groups also. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Or you can repeat also this session. We can do one more session for rest of the students.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So, first of all, I will introduce our guest of honor, the RD of West Zone, Mr. Mihir Sanghvi. Mr. Mihir Sanghvi is a prominent personality in ISRE, and we are very much lucky that we have this kind of the prominent personality as our RD. And from April it's onward, we have experience about every moment. He's behind us and he's trying to help the Nasik chapter. So, Mr. Mihir Sanghvi has completed BE Electronics from SMEP, diploma from the IIMA, managing partner of the Aero Engineering Company for 27 years of experience in manufacturing of the heating and cooling coils in all different geometry, and had made his company as one of the most preferred vendor to majority of the OEMs, contractors, traders and users. Also into distribution of Xylem pumps. He is a RD West 1 ISRE president of Mumbai chapter, vice president of RATA and society of the member of the society of ALP supporting organizations. And now he is our guest of honor for today's program. So I am very much thankful to Mr. Mihir Sanghvi that he has spare his time from his very busy schedule and given us opportunity to listen him. And all of the students, I will request such a fantastic speaker we have today, Mr. Rauf Sheikh. He will also spend some time with us to introduce our history and other activities. So I will request Mr. Rauf Sheikh to take over the charge of speaker and start this session.
Gaitani sir, you don't want me to address the students?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you asked Rauf ji to speak. Okay. Thank you, Gaitani sir, for this elaborative introduction. Ufade Saab, Gaitani Saab, Vilas Shashtekar ji, Rauf Saab, Mukund Holkar ji, and sare ke sare mere priya bachcho and visiting all the faculties. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk to each one of you. So अगर आप सबको दिक्कत ना हो तो मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश की कॉम्बिनेशन में बोलूंगा तो चलेगा. You have to listen to me for 5 minutes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
In English?
Yes, sir. Okay.
यार मेरी एक छोटी सी तकलीफ है, एक दिक्कत है यार, मेरे से ना कंप्यूटर से बात नहीं होता है. So अगर आप सबको प्रॉब्लम ना हो तो सब अपना अपना कैमरा प्लीज ऑन कर दोगे. ऐसा लगेगा कि एक इंटरैक्टिव सेशन हो रहा है rather than I am talking to computer and computer is just listening to me. उससे बदले ऐसे लगेगा यार let me start putting faces to the names यार. अरे thank you प्रशांत. Thank you for switching on the camera. Lovely Aditya, thank you. Lakshman, Soham, Rao Saab, thank you so much. Shukriya. Darshan bhai, thank you very much. Are lovely, yaar. Such amazing, beautiful faces, yaar. Thank you, Shoaib. Thank you, Nandini. Thank you, Amarjeet. Shukriya, Shukriya. Harshad, Sabir, Reva, Soham. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. सुबोध जी इतने अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर्स हैं यार. प्लीज यार एक मस्त पहले तो पिक्चर ले लो यार. ऐसे लगता है कि यार इंसान इंसान से बात कर रहा है rather than computer communicating to computer. So यार टेल मी समथिंग यार. ये अपन है ना इंटरेक्टिव सेशन रखेंगे, चलेगा ना यार? एक दूसरे से बातें करते हैं यार. मैं को यहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन करने नहीं आया हूँ या 5 मिनट आपको पकाने नहीं आया हूँ. आई विल बी टॉकिंग इन योर लिंगो, योर लैंग्वेज. आप लोग जो लैंग्वेज समझते हो, मैं जो लैंग्वेज समझता हूँ उसमें बात करते हैं. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा इंटरेक्टिव सेशन रखेंगे. सारे के सारे बच्चे आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया पे तो होंगे. मैं तो हूँ यार. बाकी के कितने लोग हैं सोशल मीडिया पे? अरे लवली, देखो हुपाड़े साहब ने सबसे पहले हाथ ऊपर किया. और कौन कौन है यार? अरे लवली, लक्ष्मण ने हाथ ऊपर किया. और कौन है? सबीर ने हाथ ऊपर किया. आदित्य ने हाथ ऊपर किया. लवली. अभी ना थोड़ा शो ऑफ करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ यार. सो टेल मी यार, सबसे ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स या फ्रेंड्स किसके हैं यार? चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद. यहाँ पे किसी के 500 फ्रेंड्स या फॉलोअर्स है? अश्विन ने हाथ ऊपर किया. यस यस, प्लीज गो अहेड.
मेरे है सर.
क्या फैंटास्टिक. आशीष के 500. अभी 1000.
500 से ज्यादा है सर.
1000 किसके है यार?
मेरे से.
अरे फैंटास्टिक आशीष.
मेरे भी है सर.
1500.
यस सर.
लवली. 2000. मेरा हाथ ऊपर है. 2000. और कोई है? 2500. 3000.
यस सर.
कौन है 3000 में? ओमकार. फैंटास्टिक. ओके ओमकार. 5000.
5000 मेरा.
इसका है अंकित का. फैंटास्टिक. अच्छा अंकित, तेरा 5000 है तो मैक्सिमम कितना है तेरा? हाँ, बिकॉज मैं करीबन 6500 में मैं डाउन हो गया. मेरे 6500 फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉलोअर्स हैं
सर. मेरे फेसबुक पे 5000 फ्रेंड्स हैं और इंस्टा पे ज्यादा नहीं है सर.
नहीं वांदा नहीं. सो मतलब तू भी 5000 के ऊपर है, तो अपन दोनों 5000 6500 हो गए. ओके
जी.
सो हैव यू हर्ड इन टुडेज टाइम योर नेटवर्क इज योर नेटवर्थ? ये स्टेटमेंट का कुछ मतलब समझ में आ रहा है? योर नेटवर्क इज योर नेटवर्थ. हाँ, आपका कितना बड़ा नेटवर्क है उसके ऊपर आपका नेटवर्थ डिसाइड होता है. अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि जैसे यहाँ पे अंकित है, अश्विन है, जिनके बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं, मेरे बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स एंड फ्रेंड्स हैं. ओके, अब हम सब बोल रहे हैं कि किसी का 5 है, किसी का 6 है, किसी का 3 है, किसी का 4000 है. मैं ये बोलूं जैसे उफाड़े जी ने बताया था कि आपका, अगर आप इश्रे ज्वाइन करते हो, आपका नेटवर्क 2000, 5000, 6000, 10,000 नहीं, 30,000 होता है. 30,000 फ्रेंड्स across India in 44 cities. Right from north up there at Chandigarh to down south at Madurai. From west में extreme अगर मैं गिनूं तो राजस्थान, जयपुर, to east में अगर मैं extreme गिनूं तो right up to Guwahati. 44 different cities you have your friends who are there from Ishre. Now Ishre is spreading its wings across to neighboring countries, okay, like your Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Kenya. Don't you think so? It is a fantastic opportunity to be part of this network.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you for affirming what I'm trying to tell you.
Yes sir.
ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप एक अच्छे नेटवर्क का हिस्सा बनो. अब ये नेटवर्क में जाने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? You all have taken the first step. पहला स्टेप क्या था? इंजीनियरिंग आपने ज्वाइन की. दूसरा स्टेप भी आपने ले लिया. क्या? आज का प्रोग्राम आप अटेंड कर रहे हो. बिकॉज अगर आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में हो और अगर आप HVAC&R फील्ड में हो तो आपको इशरे का हिस्सा बनना जरूरी है. बिकॉज अगर आप इशरे का हिस्सा नहीं हो तो आप HVAC&R फील्ड में नहीं हो. ये बहुत एक सिंपल सी कड़ी है, सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. और ये अगर आप समझ गए तो ट्रस्ट मी, योर जर्नी अहेड इन लाइफ वुड बी मच मोर सिंपल. नाउ टेल मी व्हाई HVAC and R field? HVAC and R field में क्यों होना चाहिए हम लोगों को? It is one of the most upcoming field in the entire world. Okay, एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. नीरज चोपड़ा के बारे में कितने लोगों ने सुना है?
यस
हाँ? Lovely, सब लोगों ने सुना है. अच्छा, उसका परफॉर्मेंस देखा था?
यस सर
देखा था.
गोल्ड मेडल जीता तभी परफॉर्मेंस देखा था ना?
हाँ जी सर.
फैंटास्टिक. जब वो गोल्ड मेडल उसको पहना रहे थे, पीछे अपना तिरंगा ध्वज लहरा रहा था और जनगण मन चल रहा था, व्हाट वाज द फीलिंग इन योर माइंड? आप लोग सबके दिल में, दिमाग में क्या एक फीलिंग थी? लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड, लेट मी गेट यू आंसर.
प्राउड
सॉरी, प्राउड फीलिंग.
प्राउड मूवमेंट.
ओके, जब आप तिरंगे को लहराते हुए देखते हो और जब हमारा राष्ट्रगान बैकग्राउंड में चलता है, जनरली एक फीलिंग क्या आती है आप लोग के दिल में? समवन फील्स प्राउड, और क्या क्या फील होता है?
हमें भी कुछ करना चाहिए.
हमें कुछ करना चाहिए. हर्षल, ब्यूटिफुल आंसर. इट इज ऑलवेज सेड and never ever ask what your country can do for you, but always ask what you can do for your country. ये मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूं? मैं यहाँ पे इशरे के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं, मैं HVAC and R फील्ड के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं, फिर मैं नीरज चोपड़ा के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं, तिरंगे के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं, फिर आपको मैं बोल रहा हूं कि व्हाट इज योर ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स योर कंट्री. या आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि ये क्या RD साहब क्या बोल रहे हैं और क्यों बोल रहे हैं? देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस. You all are Google generation, okay? I want you to Google one document called India National Cooling Plan. This document has been launched by our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and his team. And it says, it's 105 pages document. It says HVAC and R field is slated to grow. Please, मेरी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. It is slated to grow 8 times, 8 गुना in next 20 years. अगले 20 साल के अंदर HVAC and R field is slated to grow 8 times, 8 गुना. अभी जो भी है उससे 8 गुना बढ़ेगी. और ये मिहिर संघवी नहीं बोल रहा है, ये इशरे नहीं बोल रहा है, ये आपकी इंडियन गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है. इंडिया नेशनल कूलिंग प्लान, गूगल करना. आई वॉन्ट यू टू रीड दैट डॉक्यूमेंट. एज एन इंजीनियर, as a little smart human being, would you be interested to be part of a field which is going to grow 8 times in next 20 years? Because ये 20 साल तो आपकी जिंदगी के सबसे सुनहरे साल होने वाले हैं. So you would like to be part of something which is going to grow exponentially, rather than be part of some industry which is going to give you glamour in the starting. It may give you a little bit of higher salary than HVAC and R, but in the end, you will be stagnated after 5 years. एयर कंडीशनिंग और रेफ्रिजरेशन के पास में, फील्ड के पास में कोई ऐसी चमचमाती गाड़ियां नहीं है जो आपको ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग की तरह हम आपको दिखा सके कि यस, ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट है. IT इंडस्ट्री नहीं है जहां पे चमचमाती बिल्डिंगें हैं, राइट? बट when we talk of air conditioning and refrigeration, we talk of much larger than that. आप ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री को देख लो. जब रिसेशन आता है तब ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में सडनली आप सुनते हो कि आज मर्सिडीज ने 1000 लोग निकाल दिया, मारुति ने 10,000 लोग निकाल दिया. आप कभी एयर कंडीशनिंग और रेफ्रिजरेशन फील्ड के बारे में ऐसे सुनोगे नहीं. IT इंडस्ट्री, when the dollar rates are very high and US suddenly comes up with something, सडनली आपको देखोगे कि एक BPO में से 2 लाख 3 लाख लोगों को निकाल दिया. आप एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड रेफ्रिजरेशन इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा सुनोगे नहीं. अब लेट्स गो टू अनदर पॉइंट व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू मेक. एन आर्किटेक्ट. यस, गायधनी साहब, एम आई ऑडिबल गाइस? एकदम क्लियर है ना आवाज मेरा?
Yes, sir. Clear.
गायधनी साहब शायद
Yes,
आपका
sir.
नेटवर्क डाउन है, चेक कर लीजिए. या ओके, सो लेट मी कंटिन्यू व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. An architect is the one who creates the drawings, a concept of a structure. A builder is the one. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
A builder is the one who actually builds that structure. Okay, an interior decorator is the one who actually gives shape and size to that particular structure, gives a character to its structure. But can you imagine, an air conditioning and refrigeration engineer is the one who makes that place a home or office. Can you imagine any house, any office, any building without air conditioning, refrigeration and ventilation? Not possible. When we talk of air conditioning and refrigeration, ladies and gentlemen, we do not talk about comfort or luxury. We talk about productivity of the person or of an institution or of an house. That's where we contribute. We contribute to the productivity of this nation. When we talk of refrigeration, ladies and gentlemen, we talk about farm to fork. आपके जो किसान भाइयों और बहनों जो आपके खेत में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो आपकी प्लेट तक पहुंचाने का काम एक रेफ्रिजरेशन इंजीनियर करता है. अगर वो वहां पे आपको कोल्ड स्टोरेजेस नहीं देगा, वो अगर आपको वहां पे रिफर व्हीकल्स नहीं देगा, तो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द इंडियन प्रोड्यूस और वर्ल्ड प्रोड्यूस वुड गो टू अ वेस्ट. सो वी एंश्योर दैट आपकी प्लेट तक ये खाना पहुंचता है. हम ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री की चमचमाती गाड़ियों के बारे में बात करते हैं. आप मर्सिडीज बेंज ले लो, आप फरारी ले लो, आप पोर्शे ले लो, लेकिन वो फरारी या पोर्शे के अंदर एयर कंडीशन नहीं होगा तो आदमी बैठ नहीं पाएगा. आप बड़ी बड़ी आईटी इंडस्ट्री के आप चमचमाते ग्लास के बिल्डिंग ले लो, उसके अगर एयर कंडीशनिंग और वेंटिलेशन नहीं होगा तो कोई बंदा वहां पे बैठ नहीं सकता. कैन यू इमेजिन मुकेश अंबानी सिटिंग इन हिज ऑफिस विदाउट एयर कंडीशनिंग? Can you imagine Mr. Ratan Tata sitting in his Bombay house office without air conditioning? Can you imagine Mr. Narendra Modi, our beloved Prime Minister, sitting in his South Block office and performing without air conditioning? It's some air conditioning and refrigeration engineer who has contributed to their productivity. So I'm proud to be an great air conditioning and refrigeration engineer. Today we are talking of pandemic. ओके, कोविड का सिचुएशन है. आपकी जो वैक्सीनेशन बनी है, वो जो फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी में बनी है, वो बनाने में भी कोई एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड रेफ्रिजरेशन इंजीनियर का हाथ है. अगर वो सही ढंग का वहां पे एनवायरमेंट नहीं देता तो वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं कर सकते. और चलो वो वैक्सीनेशन तो बन गई, उसको आपके वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर या हॉस्पिटल में पहुंचाने का भी काम कोई एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड रेफ्रिजरेशन इंजीनियर करता है. उसको -20, -40, -60 के ऊपर स्टोर करके आपके वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर तक पहुंचाने का काम, उसकी पैदाइश कोई ना कोई एक रेफ्रिजरेशन इंजीनियर की है. मैं आपके घर में लगे एयर कंडीशन और रेफ्रिजरेटर की तो अभी बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूं. इफ आई पुट टू दैट, वी आर द वंस हु एंश्योर दैट वी कंट्रीब्यूट टू द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ दिस कंट्री, ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, एंड वी एंश्योर कि हर बंदे की प्लेट के अंदर खाना पहुंचे. Isn't it a proud moment? We are the engineers जिनके पास में हुनर है और जज्बा है जो हवा के साथ में खेल सके. हम लिटरली हवा का रुख मोड़ देते हैं. If you understood what I'm trying to tell you. An air conditioning and refrigeration and ventilation engineer plays around with air. अगर किसी ने वो इंग्लिश मूवी देखी होती, एयर बेंडर, we are the original air benders. So I'm proud to be. So you guys have taken the first step. I'm not going to talk about the ISHRE activities. There are more than 30,000 people जो ISHRE के साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, 44 अलग अलग सिटीज में. ईयरली 1500 प्रोग्राम होते हैं. इसका मतलब दिन का 5 प्रोग्राम. जब भी मैं और रॉफ साहब अभी आपके साथ में बात कर रहे हैं, उफाड़े जी आपके साथ में बात कर रहे हैं, 4 अलग अलग सिटी में यही टाइम के अंदर कोई ना कोई और प्रोग्राम्स हो रहे हैं. दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी व्हाट हैपेंस ऑन ईश्रे. आप उसकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर चले जाएंगे. इट इज नथिंग बट गूगल ऑफ एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड रेफ्रिजरेशन इंडस्ट्री. कोई भी एक उसमें से एक वर्ड डाल दीजिए, आपको उसका पूरा का पूरा कच्चा चिट्ठा मिल जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट ईश्रे डज. एंड स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी के लिए तो ईश्रे क्या क्या करती है वो तो आपको रॉफ साहब अभी बताएंगे. देयर आर मल्टीपल क्विजेस, देयर आर मल्टीपल इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट्स, देयर आर मल्टीपल webinars which happens. He'll tell you much more about it. So you guys have taken the first step of becoming a mechanical engineer. You've taken the second step of coming and listening to all the dignitaries today. You've taken the third step, which is you are going to go join ईश्रे. So अगली दफा जब आप तिरंगे के सामने खड़े हो, तिरंगा लहरा रहा है और पीछे बैकग्राउंड में जन गण मन चल रहा है, छाती टोक के बोलना, yes, I am air conditioning and refrigeration industry engineer and I contribute to this country's GDP. I contribute कि हम, हमारा हिंदुस्तान, हमारा भारत, हमारा इंडिया एक अगले मुकाम तक जाए, एक अगले पड़ाव तक जाए. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and looking forward to see you in our field. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you very much, sir, Mihir sir. And now I will request Mr. Raut sir to take over the charge for lecture, your lecture, sir. Thank you very much.
Rauf साहब आप muted हो. Rauf जी आप muted हो. You're muted. Rauf साहब, we can't hear you. At least I can't hear. I don't know about others.
Today's speaker is joining soon. Till then, I will instructing some things. He will be joining and hello.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All faculty members, please ensure that all your students have joined. Those who have not joined, for them we will keep some another session also as per the convenience of our speakers and Sanghvi sir also. And at the end of this session, we are going to share one attendance link. And with that link, all students participated in this program can give their attendance. And please ensure all faculty advisors that mobile number and all these details are filled with. All details are filled.
Ufade ji, jab tak Rauf Saab I think joins us, if any of the students have any questions, we would be more than happy to answer them. I think Subodh ji bhi yahan pe hai, Madhusudan ji bhi yahan pe, aap bhi yahan pe hai. We can sure answer them. Anyone has got any queries? I think kids, I would, yes, please go ahead.
Sir, what is difference between AC and HVAC?
Fantastic. I want you guys to answer me that. What HVAC and R stands for? मैं आंसर दे सकता हूँ, मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन मैं दूंगा नहीं.
Sir, I think AC is just cool.
Harshal, simple है. Harshal, can you switch on your camera? Harshal, कैमरा ऑन कर दे और हाँ, फैंटास्टिक. अभी अनम्यूट कर दे.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, फैंटास्टिक. H तेरे हिसाब से क्या हो सकता है?
Heating, sir.
फैंटास्टिक. V क्या हो सकता है? V क्या हो सकता है? H is right. H तूने बिल्कुल सही बोला. I think Harshal is having poor network. Harshal, अमाना नहीं, हर्षल कैमरा बंद कर दे, शायद तेरा नेटवर्क थोड़ा डाउन. हाँ, V क्या हो सकता है तेरे हिसाब से?
Ventilation. Sir, I guess
ventilation. Superb. Rahul, good answer. Okay. AC क्या लगता है तेरे को? AC का फुल फॉर्म क्या होएगा?
air conditioning.
Fantastic. And R stands for?
Refrigerator.
Air conditioner. Perfect. You guys, smart बच्चे लोग हैं. तुम लोगों ने ही आंसर दे दिया. I didn't have to give answer only. रौफ साहब आ गए हैं वापस. रौफ साहब. He is joining again. Okay, so Harshal, I hope. I hope Harshal, I've answered your question. Rather, you have only answered your own question.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. My pleasure, Harshal. I am happy you took an opportunity to communicate.
Sir.
That's what leadership is all about. Yeah, please go ahead.
I wanted to ask you.
Yes, Reva, please go ahead.
हम कहाँ सीख सकते हैं? Like colleges, where do we learn? What kind of degree do we get if we study refrigeration?
Hello.
So you're part of a mechanical engineering, right? And this is a part of a subject, and you become an HVAC and R engineer. That's what it is, Reva.
Hello.
Yes, Rav Saab, you're audible. Please move ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome to Rav sir, and now I will introduce Rav sir. Mr. Rauf sir is our part of ISHRE, Nasik chapter. He is a past president, and we all of we are working since from many years with this Nasik chapter. So Mr. Rauf sir is a personality, very cooperative, very helping nature. Mr. Rauf sir is a BE Electronics, 20 years experience in refrigeration and air conditioning. He was a franchisee of the Samsung Electrical and Electronics Equipment, had a dealership of LG and Selfrost, authorized service station of a Voltas Daikin Panasonic, awarded winning distributor for Isha water cooler and dispenser, manufacturer of chillers, defreezers, bottle cooler, water cooler, air-cooled evaporators and condensers. He is a ISHRE certified trainer for ICP services and past president of Nasik chapter, owner and MD of manufacturer firm Eastware Services, diploma in Techno Services and 7-star international. So we are very lucky to hear Mr. Rauf sir. So I will request Mr. Rauf sir to take over the mic and will start his session today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Just now, me, sir, has told us this is not a lecture.
This is not a seminar. This is an interactive session. I am thankful of Eastern Nasik chapter to give me opportunity to present this seminar. Thankful of my best friend, mentor, and always supporter of our RD, Mr. Mir Sangvi, who has given his valuable time to us. I know his schedule. He's handling his own business and he's handling West Maharashtra for ISRE, Rata. He has given this time to us. Thank you, Mir sir. I'm thankful of all professors who have joined today. I'm thankful of our student chair, Professor Upay sir, Holkar sir, and all delegates and principals who are present for this seminar. An entire ISRE Nasik team who has supported to conduct this seminar. See, everywhere teamwork is very important. Nasik chapter is good example of teamwork. Very soon you will be part of this team. So let's start today's interactive session. We have to make this session interactive. See, Mir sir has already told us HVAC and our field are increasing every year 10 times globally. If we think about Nasik, every year lots of brands are selling 10 to 15,000 air conditioning itself in Nasik. 10 to 12,000 other products like refrigerators, water coolers, deep freezers, bottle coolers. If you see other products, that also 10 to 12,000. So there is huge requirement in HVAC in our field. So why are we not a part of this HVAC in our field? So today we have arranged this session to understand. This is an interactive session. I also do not like to talk with computer. I like to talk with people. Unfortunately, it is online session. Very soon, when the government will allow to us, we will conduct offline session, and definitely we will enjoy in offline session. See, I want to ask a very simple question to the student. Why have you joined to college? I want to answer from you, from anyone. Why
For
have you
better
joined to
education.
college? Yes, correct. Why do we need education?
For a better knowledge.
To be the success in life.
Yes, yes,
For a
Harshita.
better knowledge and
To
successful.
be a successful.
Growth of
Yes,
economical development.
correct. So first you have to develop your economy level, then you can develop a economical others. See, everyone has decided his goal, and to achieve that goal, we have taken a admission in the college. Am I clear? Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, just you told us to understand the things and to get education, you have taken a admission in the college. Now, tell me, what is your goal? I think everybody's goal will be different, but you want to make a career in mechanical field. That's why you have taken admission in mechanical stream. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
So I
sir.
think you want to, yes, yes. Good, good, good. See, I want to answer from you. We want to make this session very interactive. If session will be interactive, so you can understand the things very easily. And I also enjoy, and you will also enjoy in this session. This is a total interactive session. It is apart from your education. It is apart from your curriculum activities. So we want to chat. We want to talk. We want to understand. We want to clear all the concepts so you can join to issue. College are trying to install different types of chapters in your college. Why? Why they are trying to install different types of chapters in your college?
For a quality education.
Correct. Any other things? But I want to interaction with you. Why they are installing different types of chapters in your college?
To get information about different topics and things.
Good, Arshal. See, college are trying to develop you in all aspects. Professors are giving their best chapters who are related with mechanical field, with electronics, with electrical, with telecommunications. Because when you'll finish your career, your education, after that you want to job, you want to do a business in the field, and you should aware what are going in the market. That's why that college are trying to install different types of chapters in your college, and they are calling different types of experts in your college to guide you, to educate you. They are thinking and planning of your career. So they are installing different types of chapters. It is one of the part they are trying to install history chapter, student chapter in your college. Someone can tell me you what is the long form of history? Hello, sir already told you. The name itself giving you all information. Anybody can tell me what is the history? Hello, are you audible to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is the history?
Indian Society of Heating,
Sir.
Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers.
Correct, correct. Yes, Arshal. I think Ayush.
Yes, sir. Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioner Engineering.
Correct. The name itself giving you all the information about history. Now I'll tell you what is the background of history and why do we need of the history. The Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers was founded in 1981 at New Delhi by the group of eminent HVACR members. What is the meaning of HVAC? Already I think discussed here. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration. That is the HVACR. Today, more than 30,000 members across the India. We have installed our chapter in Nepal, in Sri Lanka. So now it is an international society. We have 48 chapters and sub chapters across the India, and we have 2,000 students chapters across the India, 25,000 students members across the India. So why do we need to install student chapter? I'll tell you. See, this is not a club. This is society. And the ISTE's mission is very, very, very clear to promote the goal of society for benefit of general public. Towards this object, the chapter of the society participate in and organize activities to protect the environment, improve air indoor quality, energy conservation, provide continuous education to industries, and offering certification programs, career guidance to students at local college and tertiary institutions. See, indoor air quality is very important. I think we all have suffered in COVID. So indoor quality to improve air, to protect from lots of disease. So indoor air quality we are concentrating, we are conducting. Now previously if you see air conditioning, you can set that air conditioning temperature up to 18 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Now Israel has taken an initiative, the correspondence with the government. Now after 2021, if you see air conditioning, you cannot set less than 25 degrees Celsius because split air conditioning we are using for our comfort zone. So 18 degrees Celsius, it is not in a comfort zone. 25 degrees Celsius is in a comfort zone. So Israel has taken initiative to now every company are giving setting degrees Celsius. So what will happen in that? Because of 25 degrees Celsius, we can save our life, we can enjoy air conditioning, as well as we can support to a nation, we can save electricity also. If we see set a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius, so your compressor will run more and more, and you will get high light bill. Am I clear? हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स चलेगा ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तभी आप समझ गए होंगे कि इंडोर एयर क्वालिटी क्या इंपॉर्टेंस रखती है, और जैसे एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन मैंने आपको बताया कि आप 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस के नीचे टेम्परेचर सेट नहीं कर सकते, उससे हम हेल्थ भी हमारा इंप्रूव करते हैं और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल का भी सेविंग करते हैं. So mission is very clear. Now I'll tell you about the programs. Israel are conducting lots of programs and different subjects. मीर सर ने अभी ऑलरेडी अपने को बताया कि now in the morning session across the India 5 to 10 programs are conducting. It is true. Every chapters every year 100 plus programs are conducting. If you think 100 programs in a year, so 10 programs in a month. So every 4 days, every 5 days, we are conducting one program. So 45 chapters, student chapters, if you see all of them, so definitely 5 to 7 programs are conducting. We are conducting different type seminars, workshops, exhibition in the country, both national and international also. Participating discussion. ISRE are conducting ACREX. ACREX is an international exhibition. All international companies are participating in that. You can visit there. It's a very big showcase. You can interact with them. You can understand the program, understand the product. You can ask them. So it's a very good opportunity to interact internationally and globally with the industry, with the people who are expert in this field. We have interacted with government. I already told you, after interaction and after giving lots of things to government, we are set the temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Lots of MOUs with the government. Education and training. We have a separate research department. IIE, the education arm of society, is working towards the human resource development in HVAC and R industry in the country by conducting various courses of the most important objective of this training program, and this is the attempt to various level. Right at the apex, the pyramid, we have the ICP certified course. What is the ICP? It's a certified professional course. There are 4 courses in that. If you have completed that course and if you went for interview, if you have that certificate, definitely you will get a first preference for job. So ISRE are conducting different types short term and long term courses. Previously, we was conducting that course offline, but now we have facility to conduct that course online too. Research. ISRE promotes research in the field of HVAC technology. It offers financial support to graduate, postgraduate students to carry out innovative work on R&D and technology systems process. This is a very open offer to all colleges, all students. If you have a good innovative ideas in HPC in our project, you can submit that project. If our HQ team will accept that, so we will finance you, funding you to make that project. Last year, we had funded for 75,000 rupees for one project, but it's 100% depend on our HQ team. They are a final authority. If you are interested, first you should be a member, student member of ISRE, then you can submit. So it's a very big benefit to the students. Publications. ISRE publications strive to help its member and industry to keep up to date in technical department. ISRE is publishing journals. Every quarterly you are getting journals, and there is latest information in that and latest news in that. हर महीने आपको एक जनरल मिलता है, हर 3 महीने में एक जनरल मिलता है जिसमें जो करंट सिनेरियो में जो R&D चल रही है, जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो उसमें सब कुछ रहती है. हैंड बुक्स है, environment data books है, or different types of information. If you want to manufacture a chiller, you can take a chiller book from beginning to end. You can understand and you can think in that, and you can manufacture your own product. Now we come to the student activity. Student chapter is more than 150 engineering college. Encourage students to opt for career in HVAC and our industry. Me, sir, is already told you the industry is growing 8 times, and it's my personal experience. I'm in this field from last 20 years. Every year, 20,000 products are selling in the market, and no one is ready to take care of that. If you will see, if an analysis the data of market, only 300 to 400 technicians are available to handle this product. So if you'll be part of this team, definitely you have a better opportunity to make good career in HVAC field. You submit your innovative ideas, projects, definitely we'll think it and we'll try to finance you. Thank you. Now question and answer session. Anybody wants to ask any questions, I will try to reply.
क्वेश्चन बॉक्स मध्ये काही क्वेश्चन्स नाहीये.
ओके. मग क्वेश्चन आन्सर काहीच नाही का?
नाही.
येस कृष्णा. येस कृष्णा wants to ask something. Yes, any question?
All the students are requested, if you have any doubt about the history, functioning or air conditioning or refrigeration, please ask, feel free to talk to us.
Sir, when ISRO founded?
1981.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you can play. Yes, no problem. You can play.
We, the Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, ISHRE, stand tall in the Indian industry with over 10,000 professionals as members and almost an equal number of student members. Founded in 1981 and headquartered in Delhi, we operate from chapters and sub-chapters spread all over India, bringing our entire industry together. Individuals become members of our society according to their professional and academic standings. Our roadmap of the future looks very bright, with thousands of new members joining this technical society every year and bringing in a fresh outlook to our industry intelligence. ISHRE disseminates knowledge through its technical committees, which consists of some of the best minds of our industry. It publishes technical books, newsletters, and a prestigious journal, distributing the wealth of knowledge to all its members. Working with government departments, ISHRE helps formalize industry codes and standards. ISHRE promotes research by offering financial support to student members to carry out groundbreaking work in technology, systems and processes. Our educational wing, ISHRE Institute of Excellence, organizes training programs and workshops to help members enhance their skill sets. Our specially designed certification programs under ICP, that is, ISHRE Certified Professional, empower professionals to always be in step with the prevailing technology. Specially designed courses for technicians are offered to meet the ever-increasing demand for a skilled workforce. ISHRE organizes exhibitions, conferences, panel discussions, and product presentations throughout the country. We organize the industry's largest international exposition in South Asia, Acrex India, to showcase the cutting-edge technology, innovation, and provide a platform for closer interactions amongst the decision makers in the industry. The Acrex exhibition is now growing from HVAC&R show into BFA, Build Fair Alliance. This brings together several allied shows connected with the building services industry, all at one location. Our chapters organize several other popular events like AgriConf in Delhi, Raycon in Kolkata, Symposia in Mumbai, TechFest in Goa, and many more. We are committed to provide training and career guidance to our student members through seminars, lectures, quiz contests and site visits. A-Quest, a prestigious quiz competition organized by ISHRE to catalyze the transformation of the budding engineering professionals. ISHRE provides a platform to potential employers to select student members for careers in HVAC and our industry at the ISHRE Job Junction. Young minds are made aware of the need for saving power, clean air, and sustainability. The K-12 initiative of ISHRE focuses attention on school students' development to inculcate a scientific fervor and help develop them into responsible citizens. Speedy information is imperative to keep moving forward in this hyper-connected digital age. Searcher, a specifically designed search engine, is now available, which allows access to a well-catalogued database on HVACR and building services industry with just a few clicks. ISHRE cooperates with various national and international bodies, industry, governments, academia, think tanks to promote the concept of sustainability, environmental protection, and energy efficiency and conservation to enter and explore the universe of the Indian HVACR industry. Log on to ishre.in that unfolds a panorama of information. Let us engineer a sustainable future together through ISHRE.
If
Thank
you
you,
can't find
Subodh
a
sir.
way to make money while you sleep, you will have to work till you die. This is one of my favorite Warren
मला
Buffett
आता असं वाटतंय की
Hi, this is
जवळपास
Varun
बऱ्याच
Malhotra, and in the
मॅक्सिमम
last 10
विद्यार्थ्यांना
years, we
ईश्वरे
have
म्हणजे काय
impacted
या
lives of
फिल्म
more than
दाखवल्यामुळे
7
समजलं
lakh
असेल.
investors
आणि
through
रौप
our
सर आणि
flagship financial literacy
मिहिर सरांनी
awareness
पण जे
program.
काय एक्सप्लेन केलं तुम्हाला त्याच्याने मला असं वाटतं बऱ्यापैकी तुम्हाला आयडिया आली आहे. आणि तुमच्या माहितीसाठी म्हणून मी आणखी एक विशेष गोष्ट सांगतो की जे स्टुडंट मेंबरशिप तुमच्याकडे डेव्हलप करतोय आम्ही आणि उफाडे सरांसारखे चेअरपर्सन आहेत स्टुडंटचे जे भयंकर मेहनत घेतात आहेत या सगळ्या गोष्टीसाठी. त्याच्यात अशी अजून एक गोष्ट आहे की तुमची जी स्टुडंट चॅप्टरची जी मेंबरशिप आहे त्याऐवजी तुमची पर्सनल मेंबरशिप सुद्धा तुम्ही घेऊ शकता 3 वर्षाची, जी रेग्युलर हिस्ट्रीची मेंबरशिप तुम्हाला मिळेल आणि तुम्ही सगळे प्रोग्राम तसेच जॉईन करू शकाल जसे स्टुडंटच्या याला जॉईन करताय. स्टुडंटची मेंबरशिप ही 1 वर्षाची असते आणि ती परत रिन्यू करावी लागते. तर ही जी मेंबरशिप आहे ही इशरेची 3 वर्षाची मेंबरशिप आहे. रेग्युलर मेंबर तुम्ही व्हावं अशी माझी इच्छा आहे. एवढं सगळं ऐकल्यानंतर आणि ही फिल्म बघितल्यानंतर तर सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना माझं एक अपील आहे की तुम्ही या गोष्टीचा गांभीर्याने विचार करा आणि तुम्हाला खूप चांगल्या करिअरला करिअरला डेव्हलप करण्यासाठी सपोर्ट मिळेल. सो thank you very much for all participants. Thank you very much our guest of honor Mr. RD Mr. Sanghvi sir, Mihir Sanghvi sir. Thank you for our prominent speaker Mr. Raup sir. He's a chairperson of membership. And thank you very much for Ufade sir, our chairperson for student chapter and students activity. So I have a special thanks to Mr. Mr. Ufade sir that he has taken lots of efforts to collect these all numbers for the participants. Thank you very much for admin job, sir, our past president Mr. Subodh Murkebar. Thank you very much for our program chair, Mr. Amar Grover sir. Thanks for all who has directly, indirectly cooperated for our this program to success this program very well. Thank you very much, and I declare that this program has completed. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, Gaidani sir, for arranging this nice session, and thanks to Holkar sir, then Suryanshi sir for joining the program and allowing their students to connect with the ISHRE. Thanks to all student members, thanks to Subodh sir, Gaidani sir, thanks to all of you. And I have one request to all students. Almost 35 students have given their attendance, but here the count is more than 100. So I request all faculty advisors, please ensure that your students has submitted the attendance. I am resending the link in the chat box as well as in our faculty advisors group. Please communicate to them, and thanks to all of you again. Thank you.
Sir, can I speak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are welcome.
So, I would take this opportunity to thank Nashik ISRE chapter for arranging this session to students. So, students will aware about what do you mean by ISRE and what are the activities are performing under the ISRE chapter. So, if I want to highlight some of the points from Rob Sheikh sir that he is already mentioned during its in his presentation, or you can say during its lecture. So mostly the students are benefited that they will get the technical seminars from the HVAC and R experts. Some of the industrial visits are also provided to the students. Along with that, if the students have a very good idea in a HVAC and R field and they want to prepare a project on that idea, so ISRE will provide you a grant for as a financial support which is provided by the ISRE. And one more thing is that there are some quiz is organized at the local ISRE chapter, and from that local ISRE chapter, if you are become winner, so you will be participate in next step. So national level and design competition as well as quiz competitions are also organized. In last year, our students have participated in quiz competition and secured a third prize in Nashik ISRE chapter. So I am requesting all the students, if you have interest in HVAC and R field, that is refrigeration and air conditioning field, so this is the right platform, and here the technical persons are there. So definitely you can contact to me regarding for your membership. Thank you very much, and I'm thanking to all the dignitaries who are present here. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Holkar sir. Holkar sir. And I also request all your faculties to take efforts for the students to become a member or to participate in this quiz contest and research programs of ISRE. I hope that our students are very much capable and competent for this kind of activity, and also in future they can take an advantage of ISRE for developing their career facilities. Thank you very much.
Yes,
thank you very much to all faculties also from colleges, different colleges. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Gaidani sir. Yes, I, on the behalf of all faculty advisors, ensuring you that all the leading colleges will definitely be the part of this ISRE Nashik chapter. They will definitely connect. All leading colleges will definitely join the join as a student chapters. I ensure all these things. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Upade sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Hello. we can leave. Okay, thank you, sir.